Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to change a TikTok profile picture. First of all, open TikTok on your device. Click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Edit Profile. Click on your picture. And here are some options. You can take photos, upload photos, or view photos. Tap on the Take Photo, and a camera will open to take a photo on the spot. Make sure your photo is at least 20 by 20 pixels. Choose a photo that is clear or capture a new one. Once you capture the photo, you can crop and adjust it as well. Then click on Save to upload the photo successfully. Keep in mind that your profile picture is one of the first things people will see on your profile. So choose something that represents you well. Your picture has been updated successfully. You can also upload any picture from your photos as well. That is how you can change profile pictures on TikTok. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below and I will see you in the next one.